Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today, we're going to make stuffed dried peppers and eggplants together. Now, my water is boiling in the pot. Let's get right to the boiling. I'm placing the eggplants in the pot. We're boiling the eggplants for about 6-7 minutes. After that, we'll boil the peppers. Since the peppers boil faster than the eggplants, let's boil the eggplants first. I've added the peppers on top of the boiled eggplants. Since the peppers boil quickly, we won't keep them in for too long. We'll take them out in about 1-2 minutes. Okay, I'm transferring the boiled peppers and eggplants into a bowl using a colander. After letting the peppers and eggplants sit in cold water, I drain them. And they're ready. In my bowl, I've rinsed and added 1.5 cups of rice. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste on top. I've chopped 2 onions. And a bunch of parsley. I'm adding those too. You can add spices entirely to your taste. I'm adding red pepper flakes and black pepper. I'm adding 1 tea glass of vegetable oil. Let's also add pomegranate molasses. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. I'm adding my salt. I've added about 1 level teaspoon of salt. And now, I'm mixing it all together with my hands. Now I'm starting to stuff the dolmas. See, once you open them up, it'll be easier to handle them. Look, it's so small. I took about a teaspoon. It became easier. As you can see, we're not stuffing them too full. See, going down. I pressed it down with my finger. You see, there should be some space left. When we close them, we place them in the pot like this. It's wide. I'll stuff one more like this. This much is enough. You see, there should be an open part like this. We close it like this. We arrange them so they fit snugly. I'll stuff the peppers the same way. I want to show you how I do it, and then I'll finish up. After arranging the stuffed dolmas like this, I'm adding about half a tea glass of vegetable oil on top. I'll add a bit more. So it's a full tea glass. I won't add any more salt on top because of the tomato paste. And now I'm adding enough hot water to cover them. Hot water, of course. Yes, this is enough. It's covered. As it simmers, we can add more water if needed. Now, I'm covering the top with a porcelain plate. You can also add a sour cherry pit if you have one. On high heat until it boils, and then on low heat, we cook the dolmas until the rice is tender. They truly look delicious. I'm going to put them on my plate and show them up close. If you liked my video, please don't forget to hit that like button. I'd be very happy if you also leave a like and a comment. Enjoy to everyone who tries it. Goodbye.